Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Government has failed on the entire part to protect the interest of this tourism. The people who are running this tourism in Goa, especially the taxi people, the hotel people, the people who are running the hotels, the sheikhs owner and the other people who are related. During this lockdown, if you go to see, the government has not given any relief to these people. When the taxi people were fighting, Baba, that we require some relief from the government because they were without job, vehicles were lying idle. And now, when the tourism has started little, according to our Nilesh Bab, around 60-50% of tourism has started in Goa, but the government is not cooperating. Tourism minister has become such a cartoon in our state, like everywhere as we know that he goes with his family and all that. And his main aim is that he should get his 30%. Whatever activities goes in Goa regarding tourism, even whatever activities he goes and try to do it in other countries and all, his only concern is about his 30% commission. So these are the things which has to be stopped. Then only we will able to attract the new foreign people in Goa, the new people in Goa and the valued customer in Goa.
एक्सपर्ट असलेले सगळ्यात स्टारा भितरल्यान एक्सपर्ट असलेले मनशांक घेवन आमकां फुडें वचपाक जाय. बाबू आसगांवकाराक एकट्याकूच टुरिजम चलोवपाचें ना. आमकां सगळ्यांक बरोबर घेवन टुरिजम फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. गोंयकाराक बरोबर विश्वासान घेवन आमकां फुडें व्हरपाक जाय. हें म्हाजें लोकांक मेसेज जाय. कोणी बेश्टी टिका करता एका हांव केअर करना आनी कोणी असले आरोप करता तेकाय हांव केअर करना. कारण आरोप हे जातात. बाबू आसगांवकारान 20 वर्सां आरोप सहन करून ह्या पॉलिटिक्सान आयला. कॉन्सिलरांतल्यान हांव आमदार, आज मंत्री जाल्लो, आज डेप्युटी चीफ मिनिस्टर जालो. असल्या आरोपाक आमी भीक घालनात, पण काम करपाची ताकद आहा. आनी म्हाका टुरिजम नंबर 1 हें जातलेंच आनी हेच्या फुडें नंबर 1च रावतलें. बाबू आसगांवकाराक टुरिजम कशें मुखार व्हरप आनी हांवें कितें करप हें सजेशन करा. आमी आसात तेजे भितर. बेश्टी टिका करनाका.